Hi everybody and welcome to Weoley Tropicals. I'm just doing a quick video today. I've been doing it for around about 6 months, this channel now, and I've filmed various different things and stuff. So I just wanted to address, if you've subscribed for a certain type of video and you haven't seen those for a little while, I'm just going to explain about those and show you what's coming in the future. I'm on a quest, like, to get to 1,000 subscribers as fast as I can. So if you like tropical content, seed propagation or anything like that, please subscribe. It really does help my channel. For now, the first camp of people that watch the videos are the people that like the garden tours, seeing what's in flower in any given month, how big certain plants have gotten from the last month that I've done that. So I'm going to be keeping those videos going all year. Every single month of the year, I'm going to do a video that's a garden tour designed to show what plants will die back to the ground, which plants will get frazzled by the frost, broken by the snow, and which ones just shake it all off and just absolutely carry on as normal. So a lot of the hardy plants that we've been sold as hardy plants, I'm going to test those. Granted, I'm in Birmingham, so the plants that I grow here might do very differently in an area where you are, but it'll give you a good idea, being in the middle of the country, of to maybe what you can or can't get away with. As well as, you'll notice if you've ever watched one of my seed videos in here, I've done all the backdrop up so it looks a bit more like a jungle behind me. Got some rather conveniently placed chili plants behind me that are doing absolutely fantastic. So if you want any information on like any of the chili plants that I grow, I've got some massive ones here as well. I'll be doing all of those seed propagations, cuttings that you can take from your garden, the seed that we can go and pinch now off the things like the cannas and colocasia and stuff like that. So how we can multiply plants, I'm going to do a lot of stuff on that as well. And the seed stuff is going to be starting in between October and December. I've got to get the funds together because it's cost a fortune to do like a 10 episode kind of series of grow along things as well. So all of that will be starting probably, I'd guess, more towards more December than October, because I need to do a bit of planning as well. So if there's anything you want me to see me grow, bear in mind I've not grown an awful lot of things. Put it in the comments and I'll absolutely give everything a go that I can get the seed readily available for. And then we can win, lose or draw together. We'll do a grow along together. Might do a giveaway as well of some of the stuff that we grow. Do a little competition for the subscribers and then we can go from there. And then, like I say, I'm going to continue doing all of the tips and tricks videos that I do as well. I label them as beginner videos just because I want everybody to feel like they're included within that. And I always try and do the easiest method that I genuinely believe, because I'm not a professional, I genuinely believe that people will be able to follow along with. So they're labeled as beginner, but if you feel like you're a bit more advanced, watch them anyway. You might learn something. You might very well not do off one of my videos. That's absolutely fine as well. But also feel free to comment if you do things slightly different, not as an argumentative thing, but as a learning curve. I'm happy to kind of look at your way, test yours versus mine, and things like that as well. So just thought I'd come to you today with a very quick update, just to let you know that if you've not seen one of your seed videos and that's what you subscribe for, I've not cancelled doing those. It's just, it wasn't the season for doing those videos. If you've not seen them, you want to kind of get a bit of ahead of the curve and have a look at what I'm doing, I will link it in the end screens, but I've got a whole playlist of all of the things that we've grown. Kind of a bit of a faux pas with that one. At the end, I was going to do a massive video on the progress of all of the things that we've grown from seed, with all of the plants, how big everything was. But unfortunately, I had a couple of open days and I sold absolutely loads of plants. So by the time I went back to filming it, the vast majority of the stuff I'd grown from seed was actually gone. So it didn't really look like it was worth filming. However, I do run a business, so I have to sell the stuff as well. So I'll try and do it a little bit differently next year. So at least the climax, I'll film everything as we're going. But yeah, I'm learning all the time with all this stuff. I am one person with a greenhouse, well, 2 greenhouses and a garden, so there's only so many videos I can think of that I feel that will be of any benefit to you to watch every single week. So if you have any ideas, feel free. Like, I'm trying to do 2 videos a week, a Wednesday and maybe a Friday or something like that, or a Tuesday and a Friday. But a lot of the weeks I don't have 2 ideas. Truth be told, we're working full time and trying to run this business and other things as well. So genuinely, if you've got an idea, put it in the comments. If I think more than 3 or 4 people will watch it, I'll absolutely go for it, and it'll help me in the meantime. And as a kind of final thing, I just wanted to say a massive thanks to genuinely everybody that subscribed, every single one of you, because it helps my channel. And as I said before, I'm on a quest to get to 1,000 subscribers. So if any of this waffle is of any benefit to you in any way, shape or form, the tropical side of things, let me know. Absolutely put anything in the comments, and as always, genuinely appreciate anyone that watches any of these videos. Thanks again.